guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are here at Buren State Park in Van Buren, Ohio.
First time checking this park out for us, so another one to stamp and mark off in our book.
It's not a very big park,
No.
maybe 60, 70 sites. There's
that many?
Probably
I don't even know.
not even that many.
I don't know. We'll check.
Yeah, you'll see in the drive-through video. It's just two loops. One's, they call it the family campground. The other one they call the equestrian campground, which is where we're in.
Yeah.
Because the other one was full, but there's actually quite a few horses here.
Yeah, there are. We're okay over here without the horses. There's quite a few people without, but there are quite a few. There's a lot of horses. So
usually go to equestrian campgrounds. There's no horses there.
Yeah.
But yeah, here there is.
We're just standing here on this trail that's kind of behind our campsite. You can see our camper back there, Grizzly, laying there. You can hear Willow, I'm sure.
Yeah. But within the last year, I think they put a ton of money into this.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all new asphalt. You got concrete where your picnic tables are. Every site has electric and water.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, there's no shower house here.
No.
There is, I think it's kind of pit toilets, but they're a newer building. I don't know, give some pictures of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
we'll leave that one out.
Yeah. But it's a nice place. I don't know if they have any full hookup sites here. I don't think so, but I could be wrong on that. Maybe they have a couple. I don't know. But it's a nice little campground. We just walked both loops.
Like 15 minutes, not very far.
Well, it's just fine because it's hot.
It's hot, and that's enough for the dogs anymore. But we're gonna do a little exploring tomorrow. We're gonna head over to Findlay, about 20 minutes, half hour from here. Findlay, Ohio.
A little bit south of here.
Yeah, check it out. Other than that, we're not really sure what to do around here, so we're gonna explore.
Yeah, we're here with some friends and hang out.
Yeah. Looking forward to another good weekend.
Yeah.
We'll catch up with you at the end.
Bye.
Bye.
Save the stories for some. Wanna guess about you, 'cause all you say is just a lie. Cause I'm so fed up of this situation. Sick and tired of this hesitating. Why you gotta say all these things that just aren't true? Cause when we were good, my heart.
We are here at what was at one time Van Buren Lake, but as part of a stream restoration project, they've taken part of the dam out, and
it's all gone.
The lake is now gone.
Look at that, you can see it's all dried up. See a little bit back there.
Yep.
A couple little rivers, tiny little creeks that they made. Send it down there.
We've made our way to Findlay, Ohio, and we're doing a little exploring. Our first stop is Wilson's Sandwich Shop. They've been making burgers since 1936. Maybe get a malt too. to Findlay Brewing Company.
Chord Brewing Company.
You're drifting alone on an empty sea, on a makeshift raft like a refugee. The message in a bottle said, rescue me. Whoa, she's a girl gone wild on DVD, leaving nothing up to mystery. A beautiful wet catastrophe. And she said, the night is bleeding stars to guide you, 'cause I'm a stormy rain. And I said, I'm your anchor man, hold you steady in the ocean. Whoa, I'm keeping you free from the undertow. If you believe in love, raise yourselves and get in motion. Whoa, till I drop down, you'll never, never know. You'll never, never know. Well, she's a little bird of paradise, sexy little eyes and tantalize, out on the rocks and mesmerize. Whoa, she's not afraid to dance in the pouring rain, spinning round and round like a weather vane, off the Mississippi pepper like Mark Twain. And she said, the moon is folding into dark clouds, but I'm the stormy ride. And I said, I'm your anchor man, hold you steady in the ocean. Whoa, I'm keeping you free from the undertow. If you believe in love, raise yourselves and get in motion. Whoa, till I drop down, you'll never, never know. You'll never, never know. I've seen a lot of vessels sinking. You're no mystery to me. I think you're doing too much thinking. Either you down, run with me. I'm your anchor man, hold you steady in the ocean. Whoa, I'm keeping you free from the undertow. If you believe in love, raise yourselves and get in motion. Whoa, till I drop down, you'll never, never know. You'll never, never know.
All right, so obviously we're not at the campground anymore. Actually, we're here in Fostoria, Ohio, and a park called the Iron Triangle. This is a park, it's kind of unique because there's 3 main rail lines that form a triangle here, and they put this park here, and about 100 trains a day come through this area. So it averages about 1 train every 15 minutes. So you can actually come, they built this park so you can observe all these trains.
Yeah, we're up on a little, like a platform here,
Yeah.
next to
There's a
this
caboose right behind us. They made a little area over to the side here where it's got bathrooms. It's got a little covered sitting area. Like you had to bring your own chairs, but
There's some benches over there. There
Yeah.
are some metal benches and
little like table
Yeah.
type things.
people to stand and hang around and watch
Yeah, so
in
it's
the
a nice
shade.
little park here.
Yeah. there's tracks way back there behind us. The train just went through there, so we figure we have a few minutes before another one comes.
Yeah. But yeah, we had a great time at Van Buren. They did a really nice job of redoing that park.
It is. It's a really nice park. I mean, all the asphalt's redone, the cement pads are redone.
It's for the picnic tables.
Yeah, for the picnic tables.
Each site has electric and water. There's no full hookup sites there.
No.
But it's just a small little place. There's 2 loops. They call it like the family campground and then the equestrian side. But I mean, we stayed in the equestrian side. And I'll tell you what, I would rather stay on that side anyway. You got more room.
Yeah, the family campground was a little bit tighter. The horse side was, definitely more spread out, obviously, because you need room for the horses.
Yeah.
A lot of trailers there with horses. Yeah. Still, there's quite a few empty spots, too. It's a coming.
Probably on this track, too.
Yeah.
But anyway.
We can cut it and come back.
Yeah. Let's come back.
All right, we're going to go catch the train.
Okay.
We're back.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That was cool. It was neat to see that. We didn't expect it that soon because that was literally only like, I don't know, 5 minutes since the last one.
Yeah. But anyway, back to the park. Nice park. I don't know. They just redid it within the last year. So we hadn't been here before, so I don't know what it was like before they redid it. I think it was a lot of primitive sites.
Gravel. I don't think they had all the...
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of gravel. I don't think they had the water hookups.
But they did a nice job with it. I definitely I want to go back and explore more. We did do, we went down by the dam, well, what's left of the dam. They started removing that, and the lake is pretty much gone. It's just a little river that kind of runs through where it used to be.
Yeah.
And we did, it said it was a trail. It was more like a road.
Well, some of it was road, some of it was trail. We did about 2 miles along.
Yeah.
Out, mile back along it. Yeah, some of it was just the road, which was kind of, we were like, where's the trail?
Yeah.
But they did have a nice area, like a little butterfly garden that was all done. That was really pretty. Really nice big playground there.
They had, there was other trails that were there. We just obviously didn't have time to do them. There's a lot of multi-purpose trails, so it's like for horses and people, but then there's also horse trails and the people trails.
Yeah, I think there's bike trails too, mountain bike trails.
Yeah, I did see a sign for mountain bike trails. They had a couple pavilions. Nobody there. I don't know if because the lake is gone, nobody's using them or what, but it doesn't seem like it's a very busy area.
No, and it would be beautiful, perfect area for family, picnics, reunions, whatever, because it's just a huge park, several shelter houses.
But, definitely a nice area. I'd like to explore more of. We did go to Findlay, Ohio, which we've never been there before.
Nope.
It was a little bit bigger than I expected.
Yeah.
But I think they have a lot of big businesses that are there, like Marathon Petroleum is there. Whirlpool. There's a few others. But we ate at Wilson's Sandwich Shop, which has been there since 1936.
Yeah.
So they were making burgers. They got hot dogs, chili dogs, fries.
Tasty.
Onion rings. Onion rings are really good.
Malts.
Yes.
Don't forget the malt. The malt was really good.
Yes, get a malt.
Yeah.
So then we hit a couple breweries. Findlay
Brewing. And then
Chord
Brewing. Yeah.
Both nice places.
Yeah. Yep, very nice. We enjoyed it. Enjoyed the beers and exploring.
Findlay was a nice little town. I'd dig to go back and explore that a little bit more too.
Couple shops. We went into one, I think, that looked like there was another like clothing, like boutique or something. Not a lot of shops. It's more bigger, spread out. But it was nice. It was a nice town. A lot of pretty houses.
But it was hot again this weekend, but that's fine. It's summer.
See the sweat dripping off of us currently.
It is what it is.
That's all right. Not complaining.
Yeah. So we're gonna hang out here for a little while longer and see maybe some more trains and head home.
All right. So keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.